Hey guys, V here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to mod your 011 dynamic case. Basically we're just going to remove this bar just to give it a better look, I guess. As with anything like this, do this at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any damage. This is just for educational purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and drill these 3 rivets there, and then there's 2 right there and 1 here, and then there is 1 on the inside which we're going to have to drill out. So all you're going to need is a drill and a drill bit. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, and like I said, there's 1 on the inside, so I'm gonna flip this over and get that one done. Okay, now to do the bottom one that I was talking about, you have to take this leg off, or whatever you wanna call this. There's 3 Phillips screws. Remove those, this will come off and we'll have access. There we go, and there it is, right there. So now, let's go ahead and drill that last one out. Now I'll go ahead and put this back together. And as you can see, we are oh wait. Now we're finished. Look at that. And this top part doesn't flex too much, but the plan for the future is to get little tiny screws that I can just use to put this in for the times that I need it in, and then whenever I want it off for photos or whatever, I can just take it out and just look at that. I mean, that looks awesome. Well, that's all there is to that, and as promised in the beginning of the video, I am going to talk a little bit about the giveaway. So I'm going to do the 1,000 subscriber giveaway in the next few days, so keep an eye out for that video. So far, I got a Cooler Master AIO that I'm going to be giving away, but I have no clue what else to give away. So if you have any ideas, please drop them in the comments down below and give me some cool ideas of things I can give away. I'm looking at maybe 3-4 prizes. I'm not really sure. So yeah, just drop them in the comments and we'll go from there. But I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for all of you that have subscribed and just follow this channel. I really do appreciate it. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.